Hello and welcome back to the Ultra HD Gamer, and this is my RC plane build sneak peek. It actually costed me between $5 and $10. $5 for the electronics because it was from a $5 RC helicopter and transmitter, and about $1 for, well, all the other materials. So I guess a $6 build. And it kind of flies. I do need to do some more modifications to it, and it does not fly well. This is my first variant of the cheap RC plane, like dirt cheap RC plane builds, because I plan on building better RC planes. This is just my first. I made quite a few mistakes, and I'm going to upload this video before I upload the build video, because that's going to take some time in editing, and I don't have that much time on me right now. And I might do some more modifications if it works after I fly it and crash it a few times, because these RC planes, the first few you build, they don't really have that great of a survivability rate, especially these very fragile, cheap, very badly built RC planes that I have been building, actually. This one is a little more stable and a little more durable than others I have built, because I yeeted a hot glue on. But yeah, I should upload the build video if I have time. I have pre-SATs this month, so I might not be uploading it until November, which is bad. But I should upload it before, like, December, hopefully. I don't know. School is very, very demanding, and I don't have that much time to do any long-term sort of editing. I might just do part of a build video. I'm not even sure, but I have all the footage I need, which is about an hour or so worth of just video of me making mistake after mistake and then finally fixing my mistakes. I did not show the finishing touches of the build, which I actually removed part of the wing to reduce weight. I also moved around some components and added some extra weights to stabilize the plane. I also changed the tail wing to a styrofoam one to reduce weight from a cardboard. As you can see, I added some marks, and I did do quite a bit. It does not look like anything I built yesterday. It looks like something completely new, because I kind of did a completely new RC plane, but that's kind of the same build in my opinion, because I'm using the same components and mostly the same frame, just adding upon it. And like I said, it does sort of fly, but the motor is just so jammed up now, it might not fly that far. It would have flied if the motor... Well, actually, I think it still can fly. I just need to loosen up the motor, and it can fly a little bit. This uses actually a differential thrust type of like turning mechanism, in terms of having a little motor that turns on when you want to turn left or right, and it produces a small amount of thrust that will kind of spin it around, not spin it, my bad. And then there's the main motor right here, and it is pretty weak, but it should be okay-ish. Like I said, I had to make this glide so that I can kind of have some propelled free flight, because this is actually not powerful enough to like just pull it up in the air, because it's like just so heavy. And this uses cardboard, styrofoam, and wood, some balsa wood, to make the frame relatively sturdy, and tons of hot glue. This is actually probably my best RC plane build. That's a scratch build. The last few I used were using model balsa wood planes, and yeah, model balsa wood or styrofoam planes, and I kind of stole some parts from them, but it's still kind of a scratch build, because I kind of modded everything and turned everything into something different. Like this tail was originally part of the main wing that I cut off. to reduce weight and drag and all of that. I might, like I said, do more modifications, see if it flies, and maybe build another one that flies better, because I got another RC helicopter that has 2 main motors that was $5 at Five Below, because this one is from 2019, so it's pretty old, or 2018, I don't remember when I bought it actually, so long ago, or it feels like it. So yeah, Five Below finally updated their helicopters, and now they use an RC helicopter that has differential thrust to, 2 motors, so I can utilize differential thrust better. I can have a dual engine RC plane. I'll try to base it off this design, because I just like it so much. It looks so cool, in my opinion. I mean, like, dual engine, I could have like a little viewfighter thing. And with the balsa wood, my battery is running low. That's why my flash is off. But with the balsa wood, I can also have some sturdiness. I'll also have to invest in more hot glue, because I use so much all the time when fixing my RC plane or building new ones, even though I don't really build them that often. This is actually my, I think, 3rd build. I think my 2nd successful-ish build. But yeah, this is a semi-successful build. It kind of flies, like I keep saying. And I will show a build guide, and basically it's a guide of what not to do. I did some soldering, some cutting with a crappy $1 handsaw. It's just, you'll cringe when you see it, but I'm gonna upload it anyway, and I hope I don't get so many dislikes because of my terrible, terrible skills. I am still pretty new to RC plane building. I honestly hope I can learn from these mistakes, and I kind of did. I kind of made a better version of the RC plane compared to yesterday. It goes farther, a lot farther, and it actually flies in a straight line, sort of, when the motor decides to work. So yeah, I'll just upload the video whenever I have the time. It's pretty late for me, so I think I'm gonna go pretty soon. But yeah, anyway, if you like this video, you can like it. If you don't like it, you can dislike it if I didn't really explain it well. And I am a noob at this, so I don't really know a lot about building RC airplane frames, especially from scratch, and especially using kind of the incorrect components for an RC plane, although it can still be used in an RC plane. It is kind of an unorthodox method of building an RC plane. But anyway, hopefully I can build a better one that will fly a whole lot better than this. But yeah, I'm going to end the video. If you want to subscribe for more, or to wait for that build video I may upload. I say may because it might be a long time before I get the time to edit it and upload it. I'll have other videos that I have ready that I will upload before this, probably. Because it's just such a long video, and I don't have too much time anymore, probably for the rest of the month, because of, well, tests and PSATs and all of that good stuff. But yeah, now I'm repeating myself. Anyhow, have a good day or night, and bye.